A chaotic organization refers to a system of organization that blends characteristics of chaos and order. The term was coined by our upcoming guest on the Innovation Show, founder and CEO Emeritus of Visa, Dee Hock. In this next clip, Dee explains what he means by a chaotic organization.
I define chaotic as the behavior of any self-organizing, self-governing, adaptive, non-linear, complex organism, organization, community, or system, whether it's physical, biological, or social, the behavior of which harmoniously blends characteristics of both chaos and order. And the second definition of it is the behavior of a self-organizing entity, the behavior of which exhibits observable patterns and probabilities that are not governed or explained by its constituent parts. And the third definition is characteristic of the fundamental organizing principles of the universe, evolution, and nature. That's a little complex, but it is the diametrical opposite of the command and control and top-down organizations.